Today, we are exploring the UTL-8211 Plus DC electronic load, part of UNI-T's powerful 8200 Plus series. Designed for professionals, hobbyists, and anyone testing power supplies or batteries, this device combines precision with practicality. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. In the box, you'll find the UTL-8211 Plus unit, compact yet packed with features. A power cord for instant setup. An RS-232 communication cable, ensuring smooth integration with your systems. 2 spare fuses, for peace of mind. And the user manual. The UTL-8211 Plus is as functional as it is sleek. On the front panel, you'll see a 2.8-inch 24-bit true-color LCD screen, offering crisp, detailed displays for all your test data and intuitive layout with control buttons and a rotary dial for effortless navigation. Turning to the rear panel, there is an RS-232 port for remote control and data acquisition and well-placed ventilation slots that work with the smart fan system to ensure efficient cooling during extended testing sessions. Let's dive into the features that make the UTL-8211 Plus a standout. 1. High power and precision. It has maximum power of 400 watts, voltage range of 0 to 150 volts, and current range of 0 to 40 ampere. Minimum operating voltage is 2 volts at 40 ampere, ensuring performance even at low voltages. 2. Versatile modes. It has various modes as shown. Constant current CC mode for load stability. Constant voltage CV mode for voltage regulation. Constant resistance CR mode with a wide range of 0.05 ohms, 7.5 kilo ohms. Constant power CP mode for stress testing, with precision up to 10 milliwatts. 3. Dynamic load testing. It supports dynamic current tests up to 5 kHz, enabling simulation of real-world scenarios. Rising and falling rates are programmable, ranging from 0.08 ampere per meter second to 0.4 ampere per microsecond, ensuring accurate response profiling. 4. Battery discharge testing. It has multi-mode discharge which ensures comprehensive battery performance evaluations. 5. Some safety feature offered in 8211 Plus are overvoltage, overcurrent, overpower, and overheat protection, and it also has anti-reverse connection warnings which prevent accidental damage. Let's take a closer look at the specifications that truly set the UTL-8211 Plus apart. UTL-8211 Plus has input voltage range of 0 to 150 volts, input current range of 0 to 40 ampere and input power of 400 watts. If we see the resolution, then it offers 1 mV of voltage resolution, 1 mA of current resolution and 10 mW of power resolution. Accuracy of the UTL-8211 Plus is as follows. For voltage it is plus or minus 0.05% plus 0.1% full span, for current it is plus or minus 0.1% plus 0.1% full span, and for power it is plus or minus 0.1% plus 0.5% full span. Operating temperature range is around 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. UTL-8211 Plus offers dynamic test parameters as follows. T1 T2 rise and fall times, 100 microseconds to 50 seconds, with a resolution of 100 microseconds. It offers communication interface such as RS-232, with SCPI protocol compatibility. Dimensions and weight of UTL-8221 Plus is 88 mm by 174.6 mm by 230 mm and 3.42 kg respectively. These specifications make it a versatile tool for testing everything from power supplies to batteries with unmatched precision. Now, let's put the UTL-8211 Plus to the test. Here, we are evaluating a power supply. Watch as the LCD screen provides real-time updates for voltage, current, and power. Using the list mode, you can automate sequences for repetitive tasks or stress tests. This is especially handy for R&D and production environments. And for battery enthusiasts, the multi-mode discharge feature ensures you capture every detail about capacity and performance. UNI-T doesn't just stop at the device. The included power cord, RS-232 cable, and spare fuses ensure you are ready to work from day one. Whether you are testing power adapters, batteries, or even solar panels, the UTL-8211 Plus adapts to your needs, making it a valuable addition to any lab or workshop. In summary, the UTL-8211 Plus DC electronic load is a compact yet powerful tool designed for precision testing. Its high-resolution measurements, versatile modes, and robust safety features make it ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.